You ready to burn some fat? I got something for you. Let's try. So for this recipe, we have 2 pieces of celery, we have 7 carrots, 1 red beet, 1 English cucumber, 2 green apples, 1 lime, and a bunch of mint. This is our fat burning juice recipe. Ready? Let's go. So first we got to do our prep. So we're going to start with our carrots. So we have 7 carrots, and we also are going to use the carrots tops. Now the carrot tops are super nutritious. They have magnesium in them, potassium, vitamin C, as well as chlorophyll. So they're really nutritious, and they're a little bitter though. Then we got our English cucumber. Now the difference between the English cucumber and a regular cucumber, besides the size, is that the English cucumber is a little bit sweeter than the regular cucumber. Then we got 2 pieces of celery. We got a handful of mint. Just gonna cut it up a little so it can go through the machine easier. We got our 2 green apples. We got 1 lime. We're gonna peel it. And we have our red beet. And this is a pretty big red beet. So now that we have all our prepping done, now it's time to juice. And there you have it. That's your fat burning juice. That's going to give us about 32 ounces of delicious nutrition. Cheers. It's very minty.